Press the Define Job Presets button. Press the New button. Enter our custom job preset name. In the printer settings module, enable and configure the following options: resolution 1200, input source envelope feeder, media weight Myriad offset plate, feed direction short edge feed. In the color and screen control module, enable and configure the following options: halftone type, standard halftone, LPI 122. Click Apply and then hit OK. Press the Close button. Print the job into iQ utilizing the printer driver or by dragging and dropping a PDF into iQ. Highlight the plate job, then press Apply Job Presets. Select the preset created for plates. Double-click the job. Open the printer settings module. Enter the number of copies to print. Open the imposition module. Ensure the media size matches the exact size of the plate being loaded. Hit OK. The plate has a smooth side and a rough side. Make sure the rough side is face down and you enter it into the bypass tray. Click and drag the job ticket to the printer.